Right, so I thought, as the other rat trap didn't seem to work properly, well, not with mice anyway, I thought I'd make a miniature version of one of these, the deadfall, well, the live trap one-piece trigger. I thought I'd make a miniature one and use it on this little mouse cage. This is the one I had the figure 4 with the treadle plate. I won't rig up the treadle plate with this one, I'll just use it as normal. But you can see it there, I made it out of plastic. I'm going to put the usual peanut butter with thread wrapped around it. That's the trap. You've seen this cage before. That's how it's set up in there. So we'll try that. It's exactly the same as the other one, but like I said, just a miniature version. I'll set it off and show you. Right. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully it will land right underneath. I may need to just bring it slightly more forward. That's all you've got to do. Just make sure it's right on the edge there, and then it should fall right underneath. We'll give it a go and I'll show you. Right, so I just thought I'd just check it, and got a mouse near enough straight away. I just have to just see it there. Just there in the corner, hiding away. So that trigger works decent, and that must have been within an hour of setting it up. Also notice there's loads of slugs around it as well, which is a bit weird, but yeah, so there's a mouse. There's quite a little one, but I thought that trap would go off well. And if you look, if I can zoom it in right, you just about see that the cotton or the sewing thread is still on the end of the trap trigger there.